Businesses run on process, and you've probably spent countless hours creating and documenting them. Even after all the blood, sweat, and tears, chances are your team has a hard time following them because they don't live in the same place where their work gets done. That's because traditional project management tools just aren't made to help your team adopt your processes. Welcome to Rindle, a place that ensures your processes are followed so things get done right, the same way, every single time. A place where it's possible to have the same task live in multiple workflows at once, so you don't have to compromise when building your processes. A place that can track and notify on countless due dates so deliverables are never missed. A way you can collaborate with your team anywhere, anytime. A place that keeps track of exactly where tasks are in the process, who's working on them, and helps you get them done with more speed and efficiency. Rindle makes complicated processes easy, so your team can follow them effortlessly and focus on what's important, their work. Oh, I almost forgot the best part. You can work with a Rindle expert to set up and support your custom processes. We'll do all the heavy lifting to make onboarding a breeze. Rindle, your process, our platform.